This is a step-by-step on how to clean your Monjolin filter. Step 1. Remove the screw and lid from your Monjolin filter. Step 2. Remove the filter element screw. Step 3. Remove the filter element clips. Step 4. Remove the upper tip of the filter element. A swing motion can make removal easier. Step 5. Remove the lower tip of the filter element. Once again, the swing motion may make it easier to remove. We installed our dirty filter in our testing area to evaluate its efficiency. We can see that it filtered 1.6 gallon of water and discarded 0.2 gallon, resulting in an efficiency of 88% after 3 months of use. Step 6. Proceeding with washing the filter element. Place it in a bucket and fill with water until the entire filter is submerged. Step 7. Immerse the filter several times so that the dirt comes off the filter mesh. Step 8. Grab the filter end. Using a hose, squirt water onto the sides. Pay attention to the points where you notice the greatest concentration of dirt. If the water is dirty, the hose cleaning can be repeated or you can proceed with the soap cleaning. Step 9. Grab the filter element by the bottom tip. The top tip has the Brazilian flag and the mark for screw fitting. The lower tip does not have a flag or marked area. With a sponge and soap, scrub the filter element, always using the soft side of the sponge. Once again, focus on the areas where dirt is most concentrated. Step 10. Use the water hose to remove the soap. Check if the bucket is still dirty. If so, cleaning with a sponge and soap can be repeated. Step 11. For a deeper and longer-lasting cleaning, leave the filter element to soak in the soap for at least 20 minutes. Use the water hose to remove the soap. After cleaning, we installed our filter element in our testing area to evaluate its efficiency again. We can see that the clean filter returned to a 95% efficiency, filtering 2.64 gallons and discarding 0.13 gallon. Let's now reinstall the filter element and collect rainwater again. Step 12. Connect the lower tip, that is, the one without the Brazilian flag, to the discard outlet. Step 13. Align the marked area with the screw hole on the rainwater inlet and connect the upper tip. The swing motion may facilitate fitting. Step 14. Connect the clips back to the filter element on the marked turns. The black configuration is the standard, with a self-cleaning flow sufficient to remove dirt from the inside of the filter. In areas above 1,100 square feet or on very clean collection surfaces, the white configuration can be used. Always remember to check that the cable is correctly attached to the pulley. Step 15. Lock the filter element with a screw to ensure that it will not come loose in heavier rain. Step 16. Place and screw your lid back on. Your filter is ready to operate with high efficiency and bring the best water quality to your home.